In this video, I'll walk through how you can manage CMS content for multiple websites if your website is set up with multi-site mode in Coderis. What do I mean by multi-site mode? Well, here I have this website, gocodcontent.coderis.com, and I also have this other website, helloworldcodcontent.coderis.com. Now both of these websites are running off of the same system. If we go to the operations portal and go to the host screen, we can see them both set up here. Let's go back to the website. And let's say I wanted different menus on this site compared to what's on this site. For example, let's say I wanted to remove this resources section, but I wanted to keep it on this site. To do that, we can go to the operations portal and go to the menu screen and open it up. Now here we have a host drop-down. Right now we are on the default host, so whatever we change here in the menus, let's say we went to the header and changed some things in the header, it would affect all the sites on this system that are using that default menu. But we just want to make changes to this specific host here. So if we go back, we'll select that host in this drop-down. That would be GoCodContent in this example. I'll go ahead and select that. And then now, since we're on this host, we can make any changes we want, and they'll only affect this website, and they won't cross over and affect this website. So I wanted to remove this section, so let's go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and publish. And now if we refresh, we can see that's gone. And on this website, if we refresh, it's the same menu, nothing's changed. You can do the same thing for this banner here, the content tiles, the footer, and so on. Now let's say you have this locations page here, and you're using the same one across all your websites, so this one and this one. But you wanted to show different locations for this website than you do for this website. For that, you can make host-specific pages. So if we go to the operations portal, we can go to pages, and we can go ahead and add our new page. I'll use the layout for this video just so it's quicker, and we have some automatic content here. Let's go ahead and add our locations. I'll go ahead and change my name. And for the URL slug, since this will be on the Go host, if we go back to the host screen, this is our host code. You want to prefix that URL with your host code underscore, and then what you actually want the URL slug to be. So I use locations. And now let's go ahead and save. And then one more thing on this page, if we go find the page in the pages screen and go to the details, you'll want to select the host that this page is for, so we'll go ahead and select Go. And now if we go back to the website and refresh, we can see our host specific page. Now since we have our page attached to our host, we have the host code set here, and we also have the URL slug on this page set to the host code underscore locations. We can use this base URL s/content/locations, and it'll automatically take us to our host specific page and not the default one it was using before. And then if we go back to our other website and refresh, we still have our default page. It's not going to our host specific page that we set up here. And that's all.